Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to BT604 Industrial Biotechnology. In previous lecture, we had studied about E. coli, their importance in industry, and the periplasmic space, and that of peptidoglycan. Now moving further toward the inside of the E. coli cell, the next barrier is the cytoplasmic membrane or cell membrane. Cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane, they lie below the periplasmic space, inside the inner cell membrane, and enclosed the cytoplasmic matrix. Cytoplasmic matrix is the liquid part of the cell, and it's the most bulkiest part of the cell, and this cytoplasmic matrix is surrounded by a cytoplasmic membrane, and this membrane is known as cell membrane or cytoplasmic membrane. The membrane is in the form of lipid bilayer, primarily composed of phosphatidylethanol-amine. So this membrane is made up of a molecule called phosphatidylethanol-amine. It is interpressed with both transport proteins such as lactose permease. So within these membranes, there are several types of transport protein. For example, here we can see the lactose permease is present. It consists pores made up of purines that selectively control the entry of molecule and charge ions into cell. With that of the transport proteins, it also consists of pores called the porins that selectively control the entry of particular molecule or that of a charged ion to let them move toward the cell, inside the cell, and also move out of the cell. The respiratory protein, including cytochromes and other electron transport proteins, are also located within this membrane. So all the important majority of the transport proteins are present. This is the role of cytoplasmic membrane, that majority of the transport proteins are present within this membrane, and some of that of the porine-like structure membrane. The second role is to keep the cytoplasmic matrix intact within the cell. So these are the key